Ta-da! Took the radio out. 16 Malibu. And the rest of this is actually, let's put it back and show you. Most of it is no tools required. Funny enough, look at this whole panel. This whole panel just sits right here. Alright, that's what I took the push button out. That video is right there, which I don't think you need. But see, pull, 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 pull. Carefully over here. Carefully. This guy's all by his lonesome. Make sure you go behind this guy and grab this one, because it will break. It can break, depending on what season you're in. So squeeze this guy, get this guy out of the way. That's the push button. Place it aside. And then now we pull the AC controls out. No tools required. Now, this is where you need tools. Here's this guy. This little trap door underneath here. You got two. And here we go. Use this guy. Love this tool. Get up under. And pop. Pop. Two screws, as you see, are missing. 1 7, 1 7. And then we got another two right there on a 45-degree angle. And I'll show you where they sit when I pull this guy out. So there you go. Alright, so they actually sit in there. Look at this. Speed clips, dude. This is American. Ugh. Speed clips, man. That is awesome. So, with the radio out, you just unplug her. I don't know what you'd put in here, but I don't even know if there's a dash kit for this thing yet. Maybe. Looks like it could be doable. Doubled in. Unplug, unplug, unplug. So, there you go. There you have it. So, like it, don't like it. It's going to have to be a single din anyway. You're going to cut that dash. Ooh, what's a big dash to cut? Cut all this guy out. I bet you they have some. I'm going to look. I'm curious now. So, like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.